can feel it.
Niggas that I used to know and so dope with. Listen to how a motherfucker flow shit, and let me know what's something they can blast on. Thinking about the homies that passed on. Death Row come to show you where all the game at, and show you how my label got the name that. So many wanna see me in time is money, but never in the PEN. Yo, welcome back to Vietnam, California. Ain't a damn thing changed, so let me warn ya. Every motherfucking minute you on the west side, the best side, 20 niggas done just died. Walking down the streets of LA, stay strapped cause niggas bust caps every day. Yo, the 187 don't stop on undercover cops up on the spot getting popped. Shot, dropping like this and like that. Rat-tat-tat-tat with they caps still in back. So creep, when you in the CPT, you catch heat from fucking with the DRE. I got my eyes on the shit unfolding, and ain't gon' be no trippin' cause they know the type of shit that I be holding. If it's another word said, I let my 44 go buck to the head, nigga, yeah, and yeah, don't stop.
Cause it's 187 on the undercover car.
Yeah, and yeah, don't stop.
Cause it's 187 on the undercover car. 3 into the 2 and 2 into the 1. It away, set away, get away, Snoop's got a gun. And he's looking for the cops who set him up in 86. Now it's time to put they ass in the mix. Back on the streets with my khakis and my stars. Nuts full of cabbie and I'm headed for the bar. Scared in the motherfucker cause I'm fresh out, but I got to make my green, and plus they on fame. Follow me. They keep yelling murder but it won't stop until the last nigga that you know drop. Another nigga out, but I doubt that you really give a fuck what it's about. Now 99 pigs on the block with me. Not a motherfucking cop wanna knock with me. A CONVICTD, motherfucking DOG coming from the LBC. Look at what the doc brought in. A Chrome 38, a 44 mag and Mac 10. So what you wanna do?
What you wanna do?
I got the gauge, a Uzi in my motherfucking 22. So if you wanna blast, nigga, we can buck 'em. If we stick 'em, then we stuck 'em, so fuck 'em.
Yeah, and yeah, don't stop.
Cause it's 187 on the undercover car.
Yeah, and yeah, don't stop.
Cause it's 187 on the undercover car. Splat to a motherfucker, face he fall. Strong motherfucker cause he starts to crawl. I guess I got to load the Glock again. Hit him with the hollow points and watch him spin. Fuck it, I had to do this quick. Grab the Glock 17, the clip went click. Tried to detect but did not detect. Perfect, so I creep on that ass. Pop some and drop some, that oughta stop him from beating up blacks. Deadness tracks from a bull, 6-pack, relax. Cause I'm about to take my respect. I aim the 12 gauge, straight for his neck. Book out, then I fade into the wind. 187 and it's on again.
Well, it's on,
and it's on,
and it's on,
and it's on.
4-4, Desert Eagle to your motherfucking dome. And it's on,
and it's on,
and it's on,
and it's on. 4-4, Desert Eagle to your motherfucking dome. Buck 'em if they really wanna trip. Niggas, keep your hands on your motherfucking